Okay, guys. So our next topic is two of them. We're gonna cover them in one. Is a paragraph needs unity. So I'm gonna read this, but I'm gonna explain to you before. So, what is a paragraph that has unity? It's a paragraph that is talking about the same topic. Okay. When it's not talking about the one topic, it does not have unity. So, in the following example, the sentence in dark print does not tell about the topic. It is unrelated to the rest of the paragraph and should be taken out. That means that this part has nothing to do with the rest of the paragraph, right? When all of the sentences relate to the topic, a paragraph has unity. In other words, guys, when the whole paragraph is talking about one same thing, that means that it has unity. When it has something that it's not talking about the topic, it means that it does not have unity. So listen, I'm gonna read this. The home of the early pioneers were built of materials that were available around them. Families living in the eastern forest made their homes from the plentiful supply of logs. Abraham Lincoln was born in a log cabin. Those living in the cabin, no, those living in the open prairies, of often cut and stacked pieces of earth to form a snug salt house. The brave settlers who pushed into the desert areas of the Southwest learned from the Indians to bake adobe bricks, which made homes as nice as any in the East. So you see this, Abraham Lincoln was born in a log cabin. It has nothing to do with the rest of the paragraph, right? So that's what they mean. So I'm gonna let you see the first one. Okay. Underline the topic sentence in each of the following paragraphs. One. Number two, draw one line through any sentence which does not tell about the topic. So we're gonna underline the topic sentence. On Saturday, John Storms saved a comrade from death. So that means that John Storms saved one of his friends, one of his comrades from death, right? So that means that the rest of the paragraph is going to talk about what happened, right? So what are we gonna we're gonna draw a line through any sentence which does not tell about the topic, something that's not talking about this. So look, let me get this clear. The camera is not clear. There. Green Pond is owned by Mr. Sanders. Mr. Sanders' son who lives in Helena or Elena. Okay? So you see, we're talking about how John Storm saved a comrade from Earth. He and his friends, Charles Wade, were skating on Green Pond. Young Wade did not see an air hole before him and suddenly found himself in the water. And you see how everything else is talking about? It's talking about the the topic sentence. So look, Storm kept his head. He rushed to the bank, caught up a long pole that lay there, and returned to the aid of his friend. After strenuous efforts by both boys, Wade was rescued. That night they were to attend a church social. So you see we have two. Green Pond is owned by Mr. Sanders who lives in Helena, and that night they were to attend a church social. So you see those two things have nothing to do from the story. On Saturday, John Storm saved a comrade from death. So what are you gonna do and think one and two? You're gonna finish the rest. You're gonna follow the instructions which underline the topic sentence in each of the following paragraphs. And two, draw one line through any sentence which does not tell about the topic. If you need any help, let me know, guys. Now, the next one and the last one for the week is writing good paragraphs, right? In here, your answers are gonna vary. Okay, so writing good paragraphs. As you know, one key to writing a good paragraph is to have a clear, meaningful topic sentence, right? Again, the topic sentence is what we're going to talk about in the rest of the paragraph. The paragraph below are missing topic sentence. Read each paragraph and think of a sentence which would explain what the whole paragraph is about. Write your topic sentence in the blank. Okay, guys, so over here, as you see, answers may vary somewhat from the suggestions, right? So over here, you're gonna read, and for example, look at this one. I'm gonna let you see one. Remember, everybody's answer might be different. So the crown of the tree, it is leaves and branches. The leaves are very important because they make food for the entire plant. A certain time of the year, you will also find flowers or fruits in the crowns of most trees. The stem of the tree is the trunk, which is made of woody fiber. A protected layer called the bark covers the outside of the trunk. You usually cannot see the main part of the tree, the roots, but the roots perform very important tasks. They anchor the tree in the ground. The topic sentence is supported by details. So look at the example they give me here. I read this, and this is a tree has three main parts. That's a good topic, right? So what you're gonna do in the rest, you're gonna put your own topic sentence, okay? Basically, in other words, is a topic sentence is like the title of the paragraph of what we're gonna talk about, okay? Okay, and for homework, guys, well, you're gonna do this. You're gonna complete this. You're gonna complete this. You just gotta write. I want to see it when you send me the pictures of this. Your topic sentences. And for homework, read the instructions. I'm gonna put to you what you're gonna do for homework. Okay? Any questions, guys? You let me know.